That thing is actually stopping the prop. Don't get too much in the sun. Oh shit, I could have lost it. Me too. I got you on the screen. Yeah, it's east wind. We have a predominant south wind here. Get me a little closer. You're getting way out of there, right? I can just barely see it. There you go. Now do all that shit. There you go. It's a speck.
I hate this airplane.
Yeah. I bet you change that engine, it'd be perfect.
Put a heavier one?
No.
What, put a 4-stroke on it?
No. Change it. Put that engine forward.
Oh,
I bet you move a half an engine, you'd have to take weight off the nose. Well, yeah, the wing you got on it. How's it do inverted? I lost you. There you go. Up and down. Drops off, huh? You ever try to take pictures not even looking at the airplane?
Yeah.
Gotcha. It acts like it's unstable as hell. Well, I don't mean criticizing.